I wanted to talk a little bit about the SMT therapy that we have recently done with our now 7-year-old son, who we adopted from foster care a little over 2 years ago. And as one can imagine, he's had quite a bit of trauma in his short life. And we have been looking for ways to help him to cope and help him to heal, because he has manifested quite a few symptoms of PTSD, just a lot of anxiety, a lot of anger, a lot of grief and fear. And so at times it's really hard for him to cope, and there's a lot of, there has been a lot of acting out, a lot of tantrums. And so we had been looking for ways to help him heal. And we worked with him nutritionally, with play therapy and whatnot, but we knew that there was something that could help more, being as a lot of the issues are neurological in nature. So we were able to acquire the SMT system from Dr. Doty. We were instructed to perform the sessions once or twice a week. We started those back in the fall, did them through the holidays, which are a difficult time for our son. In the past, the holidays have been a trigger for him, an emotional trigger for him, and so he has had a hard time in the past coping during the holidays. We did the sessions once or twice a week at bedtime, so that he was able to relax. He enjoyed the sessions. He generally fell right asleep after, or during, or after, right after the session, listening to the tracks and also having the light therapy. He never complained. He really enjoys it on the nights that he gets to do the sessions. We noticed a marked difference pretty much immediately. He, just in his ability to cope with things in general, and things that normally would be a trigger, did not seem to face him like they did before. So we did see an improvement almost immediately. We did several sessions throughout the holidays. It is now the end of January. It's been probably a month since we've done a session. We haven't really seen any regression. But, you know, we're just so happy that he seems to have improved. And this is something that we will continue with him, and that we would recommend to anyone who is looking for an alternative to medications and whatnot, something that generally gets to the root of the problem to help the healing begin.